DAS 2001, a safe, easy-to-use and universal system for anesthesia. The system is composed of a metal syringe body which can be cleaned in the autoclave and which can be reused, a syringe holder made of stainless steel, complete with rubber mat, and a disposable device in medical PET which comes in a separate packaging. The syringe body is easy and fast to disassemble. It is thus easier to clean the instrument, also in the contact areas which in the traditional instruments are more difficult to reach. In case a single component should wear out or be damaged, it will be possible to replace the individual component instead of the whole syringe. Upon request, it is also possible to mount on the instrument a polypropylene ring with reduced beam, which can be put in the autoclave at standard temperatures, and it offers more sensibility on the triggering finger. The insertion of the carpule is practical and extremely rapid. While holding the syringe with the left hand and keeping the rod steady, check that the graft spiral is placed roughly at the half of the guide. Insert the carpule in the guide and hook it to the spiral by exerting a light pressure. Then hook the disposable safety device to the metal syringe body using the bayonet insertion. It is important to turn the device to the point it stops on the syringe body. Then take off the protection cap and place it in the syringe holder. The disposable safety device has a universal threading. It is therefore fit for any kind of needle you decide to use for the operation. Instead of placing the syringe on the tray, it can be placed in the syringe holder without exerting any pressure, so that the working table will be more ordered. The syringe holder, which provides protection to the needle, will also guarantee more safety to the dentist, and it will also guarantee more ease in handling the instrument. Aspiration and injection will be operated as in the traditional systems. On the rod, there are 3 notches. Each of them indicates 1/4 of anesthetic, in order to allow the dentist to know the amount of liquid injected. Between one operation and the other, the system is easy to store in safety. The carpule replacement is simple and safe. Place the syringe in the syringe holder by exerting a light pressure in order to block the disposable safety device to the protection cap. Keep the device steady and with the other hand turn the syringe body in order to unhook the bayonet hook. Replace the carpule and, repeating the operations described above, assemble the syringe body and disposable device again, taking care that the disposable device goes to the end of its run. Take the syringe with one hand and using the same hand's thumb, exert a light pressure on the ring of the protection cap in order to unhook the instrument. The syringe is once again ready for aspiration and injection. This operation can be carried through as many times as necessary for the same patient without ever manipulating the needle. At the end of the operation, the disposal of the needle is easy and safe. While exerting a downward pressure, block the disposable safety device to the protection cap. Pull the instrument from its support and unhook the safety device from the syringe body. The needle will be protected both in its active and passive part. By using this simple system, we will avoid any contact with the used needle, thus avoiding any risk of accidental pricks. The DAS 2001 system guarantees total safety during the anesthesia operation. Also, the professional who uses different devices, such as the peripress intraligamentar syringes, can easily adopt this system thanks to a simple adapter. The adapter must be mounted on the syringe body in replacement of the cylinder which contains the anesthetic. It will then be possible to use the device as previously explained. Another advantage for those using this system with respect to the traditional one is that in case of a breakage of the carpule, both the liquid and the glass fragments will remain in the disposable device, thus avoiding risky situations both for the patient and for the dentist. The device disposal at the end of the operation is similar to that of the traditional system, with the only difference being that the carpule will remain within the disposable device. Adapters come in different types so that our system can be used with all the usual syringes.